What is the 3D robot laser welding system? As the technology develops, the laser welding machine gained popularity. From simple 2D laser sheet welding, tube welding, to more complicated recessed welding, the requirements for laser welding machine become increasingly diverse. In order to handle both large format and mass production in the future, 3D robot laser welding machines have been brought to the public. The 3D robot laser welding system features high-speed welding, a small heat-affected zone, super welding strength, and fine seam. The welding robot flexibly performs welding tasks on special-shaped 3D parts. With a few simple CNC settings, it keeps high efficiency and high-precision welding even in complex and high-risk environments. One 3D laser welding system can completely solve multiple welding tasks. Then how to choose a perfect 3D laser welding system? Morn Laser is the simplest answer.
真香，哎呀！